Hello guys, so today I will be showing you how to fold an origami pinwheel. We're going to start off with a square sheet of paper, wet side up, and we're going to fold it diagonally in half. Fold and crease. Do the same thing on the other side, diagonally in half. Crease and unfold. Turn it over. And now we are going to fold all the corners to the center. Fold and crease. Fold, crease, fold, and crease, and fold, and crease, and unfold all the corners. Now we are going to turn it over again. This time we are going to fold this edge to the center. Line it up and crease. Turn it around. Fold this edge to the center. Now we are going to fold this edge to the center. And do it on this side. Crease. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out the loose paper at the top and the bottom. So, open this up, and hopefully it will come out nicely, and do the same thing on the other side, and sort of like recrease it again. Around and put it on this side and open it on this side. There we go. So it should look something like this. Yes. Swing the upper right corner down to the right and the lower left corner to the left. Upper right corner down to the right and the lower left corner up to the left. Spread the flaps slightly to catch the wind. So you can open it up a little bit. And if you want to, you can pierce a hole through the center with a pin and insert the pin into a stick to allow the pinwheel to rotate in the breeze, if you want to. Or you can keep it like this. Okay. Thanks for watching my video, and have a great day.